Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit.
Welcome to a special episode of This Week in Cars, in which we changed the oil of the Toyota RAV4.
Yeah.
Okay, first things first, we need to...
We bought a bunch of supplies since this is our first oil change for both of us. So we bought a jack stands, a creeper, and of course the oil.
Mm-hmm.
And now we'll start unboxing.
Yeah, let's unbox this. Oh, hey, I have. Yeah, I saw it through the camera too.
Camera eats first.
Oh, so this.
Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit.
You break something?
I don't know. Is this? This looks like a. I hope not.
Where did it come out of?
Came out of here. I don't think it's an essential piece.
What? That was scary though.
Yeah.
It just popped out. This is so much easier than the jack.
Well, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, you just.
But we gotta show the viewers that we're taking everything apart.
Yeah.
Every part of it. That's what makes the M539 guy so fun to watch, because he shows everything.
Yeah, I got it. That's
Is that it?
I think that's it. This is for locking.
Yeah, don't forget to lock it. That'll be your mom's worst nightmare.
Yeah. Safety first.
And then how do you lock it? This part?
I guess so. There you go. Nice and secure. One more. Okay. Let me line it up a bit better. Oops. I think it's lined up. Yeah, go for it. Oh, it's moving. It's vent plugs right here.
What is it?
Vent plugs right here, I think.
Yeah. Okay, so we want to lift up the, put this under the jack stop.
Here's the thing, like.
Okay. And then push it under. There we go.
Here's the thing, I think the jack stand might be in the way of the drain pan. Because this thing's at an angle, it's going to spray that way. Should we move the jack that way? I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, temporarily, because I mean, it's like you have the jack up there, so
Yeah.
yeah. Let's just move it a little bit, and then put the drain pan under.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Here we go. The jack stand's gonna go right here. I think that'll be fine. And stick the safety thing in.
Yep. Wanna put on gloves first?
That's a great idea.
It's right here.
Heavy duty nitrile gloves.
Yep.
I just hope this thing doesn't explode. So you're supposed to loosen it till like where it's about to go, and then you pull it real fast, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this should go here.
Yeah, that's the plan.
That's the plan. It is 14 mil. And it's pretty fucking
tight.
I think you need a bigger. Oh, there it is. Okay. You see another one?
And didn't play hand.
Yeah, he could do that.
All right, I'm gonna get out of the way for this. Oh boy.
Oh!
Yes, I did it.
Wow, it's very black though.
Yeah, it is too for an oil change.
Yeah. Cool, awesome.
Awesome. I'll grab myself some paper towels.
That was much better than what we could have hoped for.
This cap loose. This is pretty
Toward money shot.
Oh yeah.
Is it flowing any faster? Oh, look at that, he's leaking.
Whoa. Did he just start to spill?
Yeah, because the flow started going slow.
Yeah.
This is real
Clutch. Cardboard coming in clutch.
Pee-pee noises. Is that a
That's the tool.
3/8 drive or?
Yeah, 3/8 drive. So I think first, we're supposed to crack open the lid, the cap for the oil filter, so you drain the oil out of the filter. And then you stick something in, all the oil comes out, and then you take the whole cartridge out.
Is that good?
So first there's a lid, there's a cap. There's a cap, the silver cap here. We remove this,
Okay.
and then you can drain the oil out of the filter. And then afterwards, you take this whole black plastic thing out. So you want to get the oil out first.
Oh, so that looks like a 3/8 drive, right?
Yeah, that is.
Okay, I see. I see what you're talking about now.
Oil smells like shit.
Oh, yeah, it's engine oil. No, you're supposed to say it smells good, man. All car enthusiasts like oil, bro.
Yeah.
If you don't like oil, you're not a real car enthusiast.
I like oil that's in my engine, not on my garage floor.
Double extension.
You want gloves?
No, I'm good. I mean, I'm gonna be so far away from the oil. It should be okay.
So I say you could probably get gloves.
It's all right. Ooh.
Work?
It worked, yeah.
Nice.
Okay, let me help you down there.
You wanna just go ahead and do that with the, since I broke it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Abusing the torque wrench.
Okay. I mean, that was definitely less than the amount of force I put on it, so
Yeah.
that was probably more like,
This is still draining, right? So we should
yeah,
let it
very
drain.
slowly, yeah.
This seems to be under it, I think.
Yep.
Just do this by hand now. Nothing's afraid of oil. Okay.
Nothing's. That's not bad.
Yeah,
It's okay.
it's not too bad.
This is pretty cool, actually. When we buy these, it comes with this plastic tube thing in the new oil filter. And if you put this in the old oil filter cartridge, it'll drain all the oil inside out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's pretty neat.
Damn, this is like so much more complex than a motorcycle. For a motorcycle, you just basically pull out the filter and then replace the whole damn thing.
So
No housing.
You just stick this in, I think. And see? Look at that.
Oh,
Pretty neat, right?
interesting.
Come on, stay in there.
We get to push it in harder.
Okay.
Oh, that.
Stay. I think we can,
Take out the filter.
yeah, so this tool can come off now.
Is that garbage?
That is garbage.
Okay.
Just put this here. And now here is the part that I'm really worried about. Getting this oil filter off. So, okay, well, I don't think this is gonna cut it.
What's the? How do you pull it out?
This?
Oh.
You put this on like this and you just twist.
Oh, okay. So then let's just double it up again. Double up and then use the torque wrench.
Yeah, let me put the lid on, I think. So I don't want oil leaking while we're doing this, so I'm gonna wipe this down. I think we replaced the gaskets, but I'm just gonna put this on gently. Lefty loosey, right? So this way?
This way.
Oh, thank God.
Do you need me help push?
I don't know.
You pull while I push. Ready?
Yep.
See, it worked. I told you. The power of teamwork, bro.
Oh boy.
That's too funny.
Teamwork. It slipped off.
Yeah,
It's okay.
yeah. But it's loose already, so.
Yeah, it's loose. Well, it's loose, but it's still tight.
Wait, you can just ratchet it. Like, so, yeah.
Oh, this thing ratchets?
Yeah, of course.
Nice. Thought it was. I didn't know torque wrench was ratchet.
Bro.
Clearly, we're mechanically inept.
Well, hey, speak for yourself. We're probably gonna get crucified for not using a breaker bar, but like, you know, it's less than 80 foot-pounds, I think. Oh, there it is. Nozzle. Just pour it all out. Yeah. Makes it drain faster. Unless you, yeah, you don't want to drop the filter in there though.
I don't want to drop the filter in there. It's gonna splash. Okay, hard part's over.
Yeah.
So let me just. I guess I just pulled this old filter out.
Yeah.
Wow, it's kind of weirdly shaped now.
Maybe check for any metallic flakes. Looks okay.
Yeah. It's just dirty.
Mm-hmm.
Should be expected, but nothing, no bearing material.
Yeah. No plastic bits.
No plastic
No
bits,
nail in
no,
there.
no aluminum.
Yeah. Okay. Let's put in that new filter.
Bless the last Toyota Tech didn't put 100 foot-pounds on this.
Bless.
Bless him.
Oh, he put it. They have new gaskets.
Yeah, they do that. So we're gonna have to change the gaskets on this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's. Yeah. It's
What's NG?
Not good.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, right.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, you're supposed to put it like there in the ridge and not on the bottom. That's what it's telling.
Is this what we? Is it like French?
I don't know.
One side's French. Okay, where's the small gasket go?
The small gasket goes on the thing I just took off, which I put back on.
Sorry.
Hey, this tool worked pretty well. Didn't break my plastic either.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Shout out to Oprex.
Oprex.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Chinesium.
Hey man, Chinesium works. How do you think Harbor Freight?
Chinesium.
That's where all our tools
aluminum
are
oil.
from, bro. Wait, where you say the small gasket goes?
Under this thing, which I will have to. Oh, I got it.
Okay, well that. Yeah. Okay. Here's the small gasket. Usually you actually want to use a little bit of motor oil to lube the gasket when you put it on.
Yeah, so it's fine to use the old oil for this, probably.
Oh yeah, it's fine, but
All right. How do you think we should do this?
Can you stick your finger in there? I think you could. Stick it, yeah. Is that enough?
I don't feel anything. Oh, wet.
There you go. And then just lubricate the sides. Or you just dip the whole damn gasket in there if you want. Just don't lose this.
I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it.
Are you brave?
I'm not that brave. Okay, nice and lubed up. Now this goes right here. So I think it does. Okay. Alright, you're going right here. Stay. Okay. It's a big gasket. Dip some more oil. And make sure we follow that diagram and it goes onto that ridge here instead of the very bottom. So right underneath the threads, right here. Looks good?
Yep.
Cool. Okay, and got the new oil filter. I don't think it matters which way. Yeah, it doesn't matter. They're the same. But YouTube guy said he puts his the letters facing out. So I'm just gonna do that.
We're just gonna be one YouTuber following another YouTuber following another YouTuber.
Yeah. Seems a little bit tight, but it should go in. Maybe the other way.
Just twist it on.
No, this center thing's a little bit bulged open. I don't know.
Maybe you want to put some oil around it, and then it might be easier to put on.
My finger.
Yeah.
Lube it up. Kind of squeeze it. There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
Is this in all the way? I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks good.
I think so.
Okay. All right. Grab another paper towel. And wipe down this cap. Make sure it's clean. Okay. And now let's put the cap on. Make sure the gasket's still on there.
10 foot-pounds?
Yeah, something like that. So.
That's basically hand tight.
Yeah, basically.
Want me to sit? So just put this on first.
Yeah.
Want me to search up the
Yeah, if you could just search up the torque specs, that would be great.
So housing is 18.44 foot-pounds or 25 newton meters, and then filter plug is 9.2 foot-pounds and 12.5 newton meters. Okay. And then the okay, yeah. And then the here. The filter plug 10 foot-pounds or 9.2 foot-pounds. 10. I'll just set it to 10 because
Yeah, sure.
because it doesn't go lower than 10 actually.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Not very tight at all.
Yep.
So let's just put this baby on. And what was the torque spec?
30 foot-pounds.
30 foot-pounds. Thank you.
Oh, that's good.
Cool.
Well, easy.
Easy money.
Easy peasy. Okay, time to pour the oil.
Yep. Let me wipe this drain pan down. Yeah.
Going in this.
I'm gonna take that.
Okay, that works. Huh. What the fuck? It's not going in.
Huh?
It's too big.
Oh yeah. No, I think that's good.
Okay.
I mean, let me see what's.
You can hold it while you pour it,
Yeah,
or like
I'm
that.
pretty sure. Here.
Do you want to let it down a little bit, or you could lower it down a little bit?
I mean, we can lower it down completely, can we? Once we take this stuff out.
Well, if there are leaks, then you have to go back down. Push it back up. I think it's easier to just pour. Or let's lower it a little bit, and then let's start pouring.
Well, the jack stand's in the way.
Yeah, let's move the jack stand. Like,
So we don't need a jack stand anymore, or do we? Or should
not
I just
really.
lower
It's
it?
just for safety, but we
Are
can
we
play
gonna?
fast and
We're
loose.
probably gonna get under there again to pull the stuff out. So we should.
we could just pull the whole paper out.
True. You're right. Alright, jack stand.
Okay, I'm gonna slowly let down a little bit there.
So it does come down progressively, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Someone from Georgia is calling you. I don't think it's. I think it's spam. Not progressive.
Oh, it's still a little bit jacked up.
Yeah, but like that was very fast. That was not progressive at all. That was very conservative.
That was pretty far right there.
Yeah, that was super far right. Okay, well that's good. Good thing. Yeah. Okay.
Good thing, yeah. So, I think we just have to hold the funnel.
Yeah, I can hold it.
You can hold it? Okay. So, I think this engine takes 4.5 quarts of oil, but I'm gonna fill in about 3 quarts and we check the dipstick, because you know not all of the oil drains.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah.
let's say I stop at like 2 quarts.
I think 2 quarts is a little low. Maybe 3 quarts
I mean 3 quarts in total in the engine, or
in the engine.
yeah.
Oh
if
yeah,
I
stop at 2 quarts. Oh, okay, okay,
yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Wait 1 second. Let me rotate it so it's. Yeah.
Give me some light.
No, it's good.
Okay, just under 2 quarts left. So it should be just a tad over 3 quarts in the engine. I think we have to let it down to use the dipstick, otherwise it's not level.
Yeah. Let's level up. It's up to here. Wait, it's between. So
Yeah, between. So we
go
can't
a little
keep
bit
going.
more. Yeah.
Yeah, we should go another half quart.
We could probably do full quart.
Full quart?
I would say so.
Alright, let's do it. Okay. Looks to be full.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just double check. I think it might be a tad over, but that's fine.
Don't tilt the dipstick the other downwards. Otherwise, it's just gonna flow.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What's the reading look like? Looks
full.
I can't even see. Yeah, but okay.
Let's just see one more time.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure it's more than enough.
It's not like the RAV4 burns oil or anything, right?
No, it does not.
Yeah, it looks like the top dot. Perfect.
Top
yeah.
dot?
Yep.
Nice. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, that
Very
was.
nice.
So there's 1 quart of oil, so that's 4 quarts. Four quarts. And this engine takes 4.6.
So there's half a quart still in there?
Yeah, which makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah, because the guy, I think that guy, he said he only put 3 something. That was full.
Oh.
Where's that?
Gotta make sure to put the cap on, and then we can cycle the engine a few times.
Yeah, and then check the level again.
Mm-hmm.
So the thing is, we didn't fill the oil filter with oil. So
Yeah, that's why you had to start it and then run it,
So
and then
I think some people say fill it, some people say don't bother. The rationale behind filling it is that your engine started with oil for a moment while the oil filter fills with oil. But it's like a few seconds, and the engine's like, it's got oil inside, so it should be fine. But yeah, just differing opinions.
Well, what did the engineers want?
I'm pretty sure Toyota techs don't bother.
Well, they're not engineers, they're just techs. I'm talking about the ones in Japan.
Japan? I don't know.
From HQ. By the orders of Toyota.
It was loud in the start. Like right when it started, it was loud. I think that's because it was missing oil in some parts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine. Like, I think engines run louder after an oil change anyways. Just before it starts circulating.
Yeah.
But it's fine. Yeah. And you know, some parts of the engine, like the variable valve timing, they also use oil pressure. And so if your oil pressure isn't good, like at the start, your valves might not be, the clearance might not be good, and that's why it's loud, because of the valve train.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool. Should we shut it off and check the dipstick?
Yeah, I think so.
Or yeah. I think usually, yeah. Yeah, we have 1 minute of recording left.
Here, why don't you take this flashlight? I'll grab this towel.
Okay.
All clean.
At the top, yeah.
To top?
On,
Or in the
on that
middle.
side, the other side, other side.
I think it was down there, actually.
I think so. Look at the yellow part is at the top. I think. Well, I guess
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's do one more. Sometimes, like,
You have 20 seconds.
some oil gets on the dipstick and...
Oh yeah, that side shows the middle. What's the other side?
Yeah, middle, actually. Should we fill it some more?
Mm,
Looks middle, right? Like there. Are you seeing this?
Yeah. We could put a little bit more.
Yeah, we could put a little bit. We finished the first oil change for both of us.
Yeah, awesome.
And I spilled a little bit on the garage floor, but I say got 95% in the pan, so.
Yep.
And everything came off and went back on, so. I'd say that's decently successful.
Yeah, great success.
Yeah. Peace out.
Yeah, thanks for watching.